Good morning to all. Today our chapter is expansion chapter, chapter number 3 from the book Innovative Math Book 9. Okay, chapter 3 expansion chapter. Before going to expansion chapter, you know the formula already I have discussed last class. A plus b whole square formula you know. What is the formula for a plus b whole square? A square plus 2ab plus b square. Using this formula, you can apply a plus 1 by whole square to how much? Directly you can write a square plus 1 by square plus 2. Same process, next go to a minus b whole square. Formula is a square minus 2ab plus b square. Apply now a minus 1 by whole square. It will be a square plus 1 by square minus 2 because 2ab a into 1 by cancel. Means directly you have to memorize a minus 1 by whole square equal to a square plus 1 by square minus 2. Next to see a plus b whole cube formula. A plus whole cube formula you know a cube plus b cube plus 3ab whole into a plus b. Okay, a cube plus b cube plus 3ab whole into a plus b. And one more formula, that is a plus b plus c whole square formula is what? A square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Okay, that's the formula you have to memorize. Next go to the a minus b whole cube formula. What is that a minus b whole cube formula? Just to see, a minus b whole cube formula is a cube minus b cube all are minus 3ab whole into a minus b. Using these two formula a plus b whole cube and a minus b whole cube, we can write the finding formula like a cube minus b cube. It will be a minus b whole cube plus 3ab whole into a minus b. And in case of a cube minus b cube factorization formula, that is a minus b whole into a square plus ab plus b. This is the factorization formula. Okay. Let us go to the exercise. Directly I am going to the exercise, that is exercise number 3. Only one exercise in this book for expansion. The number 1 is expand the following 2a plus 1 whole square. Means a plus b whole square formula you have to apply. There are so many questions are there. Let me solve from the last, that is number 7. Question number 7, simplify by expanding 5a plus 2 whole square minus 5a minus 2 whole square. Means you have to apply here a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square. Okay, I am writing the formula required for this. Just see. For question number 7, exercise 3, you have to apply the formula a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square. Directly you can apply 4ab. Just you have to memorize a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square formula is 4ab, because a square plus 2ab plus b square, in this case a square plus b square minus 2ab. If it is minus here, a square plus b square will be cancelled out, plus 2ab, and here it will be minus of minus 2ab, it will be 2ab plus 2ab, it will be 4ab. Directly apply this formula and it will be easier to solve this question number 7. 7 first part, it is question given 5a plus 2 whole square minus 5a minus 2 whole square. Just you can apply this formula. Your formula will be how much? 4ab. 4a. A means here 5a, b means here 2. How much you are getting? 4 for 20, 2 the 40. This is the answer. Question number second part, number 7. This is given 7x plus 2y whole square minus 7x minus 2y whole square. The result will be 4ab. 4a means what? 7x. B means here 2y. 7x into 10. It will how much? 2, 7, 7 4 is 28. 28 2 is 56 xy. Second part also complete. Third part. It is given 3x minus 4 whole cube. 3x minus 4 whole cube minus 3x plus 4 whole cube. Just a minus b whole cube formula is what? A cube minus b cube minus 3ab, 3a into b whole into a minus b. This is the a minus b whole cube formula. then minus 3x plus 4 whole cube, that will be 3x cube plus 4 cube, a cube plus b cube plus 3ab. 3a means here 3x, b means here 4, 3ab whole into 3x plus 4. A plus b whole cube formula is a cube plus b cube plus 3ab whole into a plus b. And a minus b whole cube formula is a cube minus b cube minus 3ab whole into a plus b. Now 3x whole cube will have 27x cube minus 4 whole cube 64 minus 64. This is 3 3 9 9 4 ja 36 x whole into 3x minus 4. If we open the bracket, this will be minus 27x cube. This will be minus 64. This will be minus 3 3 9 4 ja 36 x whole into 3x plus 4. Now see what will be cancel out. 27x cube minus 27x cube. Now minus 64 minus 64, how much coming? Minus 128. Yes or no? And if you open this bracket, this will be how much? 36x into 3, it will be how much? Minus 108 8x square and plus 36 into 4, it will be how much? 144 144x 144x, and in this case minus 36x into 3x, this will be minus 108 x square, this will be minus 144x. Now see here 144x plus or minus 148 will cancel out. Finally you are getting minus 128 minus 108 x square minus 108 x, that will be minus 216 x square. This is the answer of number 7, third part. And last part left, that is fourth part. Just see fourth part how to solve. The fourth part question given, that is x minus 2 whole cube minus x plus 2 whole cube. Just apply x minus 2 whole cube, that will be a minus whole cube formula is what? A cube minus b cube minus 3a into b whole into x minus 2. Then minus of, just keep the bracket here, minus x plus 2 whole cube, that will be x cube plus 2 cube plus 3a means x into 2 whole into x plus 2 bracket close. Now this will be x cube minus 2 cube is what? 8 minus 3 to the 6 x whole into x minus 2. Now open the bracket, this will be minus x cube, this will be 8 2 cube, 8 means minus 8, and this will be minus 6x whole into x plus 2. Okay, whole into x plus 2, this one minus 6x whole into x plus 2. Now see x cube minus x cube cancel out. Minus 8 minus 8 will be how much? Minus 16. Now open this bracket, minus 6x square, this should be plus 12x, and here minus 6x into 8, this will be minus 6x square minus 12, 6 to the 12, 12x. Now you see plus 12x minus 12x cancel out. Finally getting minus 16. दोनों ऐड करो, minus 6x square minus 6x, it will have minus 12x square. This is the answer of number 7, fourth part. In this way, number 7 today I have completed exercise 3. Try to practice these sums. Next day I will do more sums. Thank you for today's class.